Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Solana from MEXC to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, you are going to be opening your MEXC, so you can download that from your Play Store. So you can see if Play Store or App Store, whatever the device that you're using. So you can search in here for MEXC just like that, and it should be showing up in here. You can see buy and sell crypto. Now once you since we are going to be sending Solana from MEXC to Phantom Wallet, we are going to be copying the receiving address from our account. So you can see once you're onto your account, you are going to be seeing your wallet address once you head over to this deposit option as in this screenshot. Now the second step is going to be pretty easy. Once you copy your address, head over to your Phantom Wallet just like that. You can see this is my Phantom Wallet here, and I'm going to be clicking on send, as you can see, and that is going to be pretty easy. And sending your Solana, you can see this is our Solana. Click on share or send, and you can easily send it to another device or MEXC. So that's how you can transfer Solana from MEXC to Phantom Wallet. I hope this is going to be helping you out, and thank you so much for watching.